In attaining our ideals, our means should be as pure as the end. Book name: Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Introduction to Dr. Rajendra Prasad. An idol of equanimity, simplicity, perseverance, and a silent worker who was loved and respected by one and all. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was an Indian independence freedom fighter, lawyer, scholar, and subsequently the first President of India in office from 1950 to 1962. Loved and respected by everyone around him. He was one of the most balanced leaders around in the freedom struggle who was respected by one and all because of his equanimity, simplicity, and selflessness. Nation above self. Dr. Prasad had to face health issues his entire life as he had asthma throughout. But even with these problems and being constantly in and out of jail terms, he never flinched in carrying out his responsibilities in the freedom struggle for the nation. Devoted to various movements, he was considered as an extremely hard-working leader who preferred not to make much noise. Dr. Prasad played a key role in various movements like Champaran movement. The Champaran Satyagraha of 1917 was the first Satyagraha movement in India. Satyagraha movement, Satyagraha or holding firmly to truth or truth force is a particular form of non-violent resistance or civil resistance. Salt Satyagraha movement and Quit India movement, and also in reviving the Congress from its lull phase to come back re-energized in 1930s. Brilliant student who gave it all for the nation. Dr. Prasad was a very bright student, respected professional and a great lawyer. But he left his profession and jumped into the freedom struggle and inspired many to do same. Just like Subhash Chandra Bose inspired many to leave the administrative services, Dr. Prasad inspired many to leave the legal profession and jump into the fire of freedom struggle. A friend first and a leader later. Dr. Prasad is credited to have activated the entire region of Bihar in the freedom struggle. He did this not just through consistent efforts but rather helping out the people a lot during their personal needs like floods and earthquakes. This won him people's genuine trust and respect. He inspired the peasant and farmer community a lot and specially fought for them. The love for India. In the Quit India movement of 1942, he rose as one of the biggest influencers and was responsible for a big part of the movement, especially in Bihar, with every village participating. Apart from this, he was a keen lover of national language, Hindi, and he saw the value in spreading it and replacing English completely.